you're tired of trying to find places to hang dry your clothes, this is such a smart, space-saving solution. The brand sent over this drying rack for me to try out, and I'm so glad because I didn't realize how much we actually needed this. Our laundry room was really small, so we needed an option for hanging clothes to dry that would not take up a lot of space. So we just put this right on our wall. It took my husband a few minutes to install, and one thing I like about this is that it's compact whenever you're not using it. It folds flat against the wall, so it doesn't stick out or take up unnecessary space, which is really nice in a small laundry room like ours. It was packaged nicely and came with the hardware and instructions included for how to install it. Once you pull the rack down, it extends outwards, so if you need to hang dry pants or other things that are a little bit wider, you have enough space to hang dry wider items like that. The aluminum feels lightweight and very sturdy, and it has a clean, modern look. It has little divots on the rack for your hangers, so your clothes aren't touching each other and sliding together. We have already been using this since we installed it. This is a great option for hanging dry clothes that you put in the dryer, but they still come out kind of damp. We just hang these on the rack for a few hours, then they're dry and ready to go back in our closet. Overall, this is a really practical, space-saving option if you have to air dry your clothes and want something that can easily tuck away whenever you're done using it. This is honestly a great product, and I highly recommend.